we have a three-worded motto. It's basically ride. How we ride is with respect, and why we ride is to relax. That's it.
Good morning everybody, good morning. So this is Abhishek and you are watching my channel. So guys, today we are having a tribute ride for Mr. Sanjeev, who was the person behind every Delhi based biking culture. He brought people together. One of my two friends are waiting for me, so they'll be meeting near Vaishali metro station. Here they come, the mighty beast. Yay! Hello. Chale?
Hello.
Chalo. फॉग गाइस, बहुत ज़्यादा फॉग और चश्मे वालों को खासकर मैं I personally I have never met Mr. Sanjeev sir. What? So now, okay, we are this assembling point, I guess. Yes, perfect. Hi, Abhishek. Amazing, look at the lineup guys, look at the lineup. Oh my god. और हिमालयन वाले यार बुरी हालत हो गई यार, आइस में पूरा पानी 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 पानी, ड्रॉपलेट देगा. This is the Honda Highness. It's a beautiful machine. Amazing lineup. Okay, let us start from there. Adventure, Tramp, mind blowing. That's my machine. Look at these guys. Harley Davidson.
Sorry guys for the delay because as usual post-COVID people are meeting for the first time after 1 year. So थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्यार मोहब्बत दिखा रहे हैं. Thank you so much for joining. It's a huge honor that you woke up this early, decided to ride with a bunch of strangers you saw on Facebook, and you are expecting that today will be a wonderful ride, and it will be. We have a three-worded motto. It's basically ride. How we ride is with respect, and why we ride is to relax. That's it. Once you relax, you can be real with one another. You can take off the bravado. You cannot rely on your motorcycle brand. Your identity goes much bigger, and it's wonderful, it's beautiful, and you can be yourself. So please, आज relax करिएगा. Today we are celebrating Sanjeev sir. and we are hosting it together with FSR Club, and it's going to be ridden by Youngfa Karma, and it's called the Missing Biker Formation. So we will have no one riding next to him. Everyone else is going to be riding 2x2, okay? And the marshals will help you out. Route is very simple today because of the numbers. We can't go far, but we're going to be going in traffic. So please be sensible and sensitive. Please maintain distance with one another. Who's riding Sanjeev sir's bike? उनके बगल में कोई राइड नहीं करेगा. इस बाइक के बगल में कोई राइड नहीं करेगा. It's the missing persons. It's a formation for the missing person. And so today we're doing it in tribute of Sanjeev sir. Please keep that in mind. We're celebrating him, and that's Sanjeev sir. And this is the bike he used to ride, and that has become part of our logo. We never knew that he would not be with us, but few years ago, ये जो इनका जो ये एंगल है, मैं चाहूँगा अगर आप लोग जो लोग वीडियो नहीं ले रहे हैं, अगर आप अपने हाथ उठाकर ऐसे कर सकते हैं, just for his memory, just remember that we can live, we can actually ride free, we can be who we are, and we can serve one another just by being ourselves. So आज थोड़ा चौड़े में चलिएगा. अब इस टाइम में ऐसे चला रहे हैं. Open your rearview mirrors. And let's begin the.
We are all set. All of us are here. Everyone has assembled. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Yo, let's go! Woo! My God, look at the lineup. Look at the lineup, the formations. Oh my God. दादा सुपर एक्साइटेड.
आया मेरा.
हाँ बहुत बहुत.
राइड जो हम बहुत करते हैं, दे आर क्लासी.
Seriously, they are not setting any rules like you have this bike, you have that bike. Every bike is one. It's the biker who is getting that.
नहीं, अरे एक बार तो कितनी सारी स्कूटी आई थी. स्कूटी.
अच्छा स्कूटी भी थी.
वो हाँ.
My God.
एक ग्रुप आया था 6-7 जने स्कूटी जो एक्टिवा लेके. मजा आया था उनके साथ भी चलने में.
चलो let's go guys. As you can see, this group primarily focuses on the biker, not the bike. Every bike has same reputation, be it any cc, any power. Wow. Hopefully my audio is audible. बहुत ज़्यादा fog है. बहुत ज़्यादा. Literally visibility is very low. This is what I call a ride. Ride for a cause. Oh, it's so cold. Very cold. ये इधर से भी आ रही है. एक तो साइलेंसर से आ ही रही है साउंड. देयर इज सम साउंड कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर. कट. एक यूनिक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. सो इट इज़ प्लेटिना. हो So it's not about the power, it's the passion. Just remember, it's the passion, not the power. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
तीन बोलने पे रिलैक्स, ओके?
ओके
फादर बोलते थे, तो बड़ा अजीब सा रिश्ता था, बिकॉज मैं चर्च में काम करता था उस टाइम पे, और वो चाहे मैं जितना बोलता हूँ कि सर आप मुझे फादर मत बुलाइए, क्योंकि अजीब लगता है, आप मेरे फादर के जैसे हो और आप मुझे फादर बोल रहे हो। He was so stubborn till the last week of his life he would say father, and that's something. He was stubborn, but he was sincere in the way he treated people. And I know that it's very difficult and emotional for her. तो लेकिन आप इनकी बात को सुन लीजिएगा. And I know that the price Sanjeev sir paid to hang out with us was that this is the picture that has become synonymous with Sanjeev sir, but also it's part of our freedom and the sense of being together, better together, is represented with this picture. So thank you, ma'am. We also have a small token of appreciation from Hip Hip. Daddu was not well, as most of you will be knowing, since last 1 year, and मैम ने बहुत स्ट्रगल करा, बहुत टाइम उनको डिवोट करा उनकी सेहत के लिए, तबीयत के लिए. आई वॉज इन कॉन्स्टेंट टच विद हिम ऑलमोस्ट ऑन डेली बेसिस, बट कोविड टाइम था, हम जा नहीं सकते थे उनके पास. कहूँगा द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज कहीं कुछ थम सा गया है, कहीं कुछ थम सा गया है. ऐ दोस्त कहीं कुछ थम सा गया है, कहीं कुछ रुक सा गया है, कहीं कुछ अटका हुआ है उन नुक्कड़ की चाय में, शायद कहीं कुछ थम सा गया है. उन छोटी छोटी पान की दुकानों में, उन संकरी सी गलियों में, उन बड़े खुले मैदानों में कहीं कुछ थम सा गया है. वो चौराहे
You're all going? Oh my God, काफी गर्मी है यार. और फाइनली पहुँचे हम लोग शिकंजी वाले पे। ओ माय गॉड, प्रीटी गुड। दादा एंड भरत भाई, अमेजिंग। थैंक यू दादा
अरे क्या हुआ,
फॉर द
मतलब मैंने क्या किया, वो तो मतलब इट वाज राइट बस।
अमेजिंग। एक मैंने आज तक ना ऐसा कोई राइड नहीं देखा जिसमें ऐसे कनेक्शन फील होता है। एक्चुअल राइड जो होता है। अरे शोशाबाजी इतना है ना, तेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास ये है, वो होता है।
कुछ नहीं, सब अपना सी दैट्स द ब्यूटी। RD 350 से लेकर टाइगर से लेकर
प्लेटिना तक लेके
हाँ हाँ
बताओ।
हाँ।
माय गॉड।